Students of Standard 10, welcome to this YouTube channel of Montbretia. I am here with your History Chapter 3, Nationalism in India questions. There are many important questions. So I have tried my best to select all those important questions which are very necessary for your board examination, which has several times came in your board exam. So just you copy these answers and then you try to write by yourself. But please don't copy down directly from the guide, because you have to learn. Several times I am warning you, don't copy down directly from the guidebook. So your first question is, define nationalism. Define nationalism. Your second question, what do you mean by the idea of satyagraha? Idea of satyagraha. Next, question number 3, what was Rowlatt Act? What was Rowlatt Act? Question number 4, describe the main features of civil disobedience movement. Describe the main features of civil disobedience movement. Answer to this question now I have separately made one video for this mandate. Question number 5, what is Dandi March? What is Dandi March? Why was it significant? Why was it significant means what was the importance of this? Why was it significant? Question number 6, examine the role of women. Examine the role of women during the civil disobedience movement. Examine the role of women during the civil disobedience movement. Okay. Next, question number 7. Write a short note on Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Write a short note on Jallianwala Bagh massacre. MASSACRE. How did the First World War help in the growth of the national movement in India? How did the First World War help in the growth of the national movement in India? Okay. Question number 9. Why was the Simon Commission set up? Why was the Simon Commission set up? Why was the Simon Commission set up? Why was it boycotted? Why was it boycotted by the Indians? Why was the Simon Commission set up? Why was it boycotted by the Indians? So there are 9 questions till now I have given. One more question is there. First you see all the questions at a time, as I do not have more space to write on my board. I will be giving you after rubbing this. Define nationalism. What do you mean by the idea of Satyagraha? What was Rowlatt Act? Describe the main features of civil disobedience movement. What is Dandi March? Why was it significant? Examine the role of women during the civil disobedience movement. Write a short note on Jallianwala Bagh massacre. How did the First World War help in the growth of the national movement in India? Why was the Simon Commission set up? Why was it boycotted by the Indian? Your last and the 10th question, very important question, many times came in the board for 3 marks. That is, why did Mahatma Gandhi withdraw the non-cooperation movement? I have made one special video for that. I think you remember, with some pictures over there. Chauri Chora incident. Do you remember? Why did Mahatma Gandhi withdraw the non-cooperation movement? These are the 10 questions, very important questions. Go through these questions properly, write them in the fair copy, and there are many other small questions which I will give you when the school reopens. Thank you.